Hi guys, welcome to another interesting episode of Relationship Talk with Adetife. So, as a daughter-in-law, how are you supposed to handle this situation when it presents itself before you? First thing you should know is your mother-in-law is an elder, and you are supposed to honor your elders. So, don't disrespect her because of whatever it is she's doing. No, whatever it is she's throwing and bringing at you, let your husband be in the know. That means as a daughter-in-law, you should allow your husband to take the lead. Your husband brought you into the house. He brought you into his family. You are there because of him. So anything, any negativity or any fight his family might want to be bringing at you as the wife, your husband is supposed to stand in for you. Your husband is supposed to create boundaries. If boundaries are not set yet, then you should start. Just ensure that bring him into the knowing. Adventure is not always around, or was not there when the mother was doing awesome things. So, let your husband be aware of everything, but don't fight with her. Let your husband stand in as the protector and as the leader of the home. He's the one that ought to create boundaries against external parties, which most times can be his family. You know that as a wife, you ought to create a loving home with your husband. But sometimes it might be challenging with the interference of his family. But then, you shouldn't create a wall between you and your in-law, but rather you should maintain an healthy relationship with them. And when there seems to be disagreement, there seems to be an issue, your husband is supposed to be the one answering. He's supposed to be the one that ought to reason with his mother or with his siblings. It is not in your position to fight your mother-in-law. You shouldn't fight her. And for the singles that are yet to be married, one thing you can do now concerning your parents is to pray about them. It is as important as praying about your spouse, praying about your home, pray about your in-laws as well. Also, ask your husband to tell you about his family, and your husband to ask him questions about his mom, about his siblings, about his family generally. So you have an idea of the kind of home you are getting married to. So your husband is supposed to be open enough. If he knows his mom to be an hostile woman, he ought to inform. If the mother is a loving one, he ought to inform. But one thing you should know is that as you are entering into that in-law relationship, don't go in ready for a fight. Don't go into that relationship ready to retaliate any form of issues that might come your way. So, sister-in-law, mother-in-law, are you an island of trouble, or are you a loving and caring mother-in-law? So how is your relationship with your in-law? Are you having a good one with your mother-in-law? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if you have not. And you can share this video to anyone that you know might need it. Thanks.